All right, here's a question I get all the time. Can I qualify for a mortgage if I'm self-employed? The short answer? Yes, absolutely. But there's a bit more to it, especially when you're your own boss.
That's right. Self-employed borrowers can absolutely get approved for a mortgage. But the process tends to be a little more document-heavy, and lenders want to see a solid financial track record.
All right. Let's break down what lenders typically look for when you're self-employed.
Lenders typically want to see 12 months of consistent bank activity showing steady self-employment income. If your income varies, which is common for freelancers or business owners, they'll look for overall stability to assess your eligibility.
You'll need your T1 general and business registration or incorporation documents for 12 months banking days, covering your personal and business tax info, including self-employment income and expenses.
And depending on the lender, you might also need a year-to-date profit and loss statement. Basically, they want to make sure your income is consistent and sustainable.
You may also be asked for bank statements, both business and personal, just to verify your income deposits and check that you've got some reserves in the bank.
In Canada, credit score of 680 or higher is typically the baseline for conventional mortgages. Lenders also look at your debt ratios. Ideally, your total monthly debt payments, including your future mortgage, should stay below 42% of your gross income.
Now, putting more money down isn't required, but it can definitely help. A larger down payment reduces the lender's risk and can get you a better interest rate, or increase your chances of approval if your income is harder to verify.
Exactly. In those cases, you might want to explore bank statement loans or non-QM loans, which are designed for people with alternative income documentation.
So yes, being self-employed doesn't close the door on homeownership.
You just need to be a little more prepared, a little more organized, and ideally, work with a lender who understands your situation. Thank you for listening, folks. Like, follow and share. You can comment down below if you have questions.